Hey guys, so we're finally able to do a second update on the Proven Winners unboxing here with my wife, and we're going to show a little bit of what we did. There's two plants that I wasn't able to mention the last time because they weren't really performing or doing anything too much. It took about 2 weeks for them to show. It was the Super Tunia Priscilla and the Prince Tut grass. The Priscilla has now taken over the whole container. As you can see, it's growing pretty much everywhere. So looking at these containers, a lot of it was inspired by a garden channel that we love to watch on YouTube, Garden Answer, which we admire so much. We liked so much their gardening and the stuff that they did in their beds that we decided to bring a little bit of it into our yard here.
We were dying to show y'all these two plants because they did amazing. At first, the Priscillas were not growing that much, but if y'all can see, come in to see, it's a double bloomer. So she is really beautiful, and they are not found anywhere in nurseries around here. We had to go ahead and fill up this area with a Super Tunia Bordeaux because we could not even find this anymore to order online on Proven Winners because they were sold out and they haven't been able to restock. So we went ahead and put a Super Bordeaux. I think that was like the closest thing to this. But like I was saying, the Priscilla overtook the whole pot. It hasn't been that long since they started blooming and they're already almost going down to the ground. Y'all can see the bells. The bells used to be a good size. Now you can't even see them. I've had to go in there and groom around so that way they can get some light too. And then if you want to tell them about the Prince Tut.
So the Prince Tut was pretty small when we got them. As you can see in the video, they were a good size when we got them, not too big, but they just pretty much bloomed. We got about 9 stalks in there, I think, what I counted the last time, and it's looking pretty good right now. So everything in this container, minus the geraniums, are Proven Winners. So the potato vine on these have really taken off and pretty much outgrown the front of the pot there. And take you over to the second container here.
It is non-stop blooming. They've just been going crazy all the time.
So everything we have here, we've been fertilizing with the Proven Winners water-soluble fertilizer. And when we planted them down, we put the slow-release fertilizer from Proven Winners as well. So I think this has been about a month and a half since we planted them, and they've completely outgrown my expectations. Here we have the denim and lace there, the Super Tunia Bordeaux, and the Alyssum right in the center there between them all. This one over here, keeping it real, this is what happens when you get too much water. The rain builds up right here, and I think that kind of damaged it. So we're going to switch it out for one of the ones that's in here that's not getting enough sun. But we're going to pull it out and replace it with that one there, and hopefully we can get that one going again.
So we haven't done anything to this bed at all because we wanted everyone to see what it really turned out to be like. It's not even summer yet and how full it is. We are going to trim around the rose bushes just so they can get enough air and they won't get diseases or anything in the future. And the rose bushes did go crazy blooming as well, and they look so beautiful. We will put a picture of what that looked like as well.
So these really, at night, they really glow with the lights we have here, and I'll post a picture to show what it actually looks like. It looks pretty good. And I'm gonna take you over here to the Super Tunia Picasso in blue. This is my favorite from all of these. And
they're a little beat up though because of the rain.
The rain has kind of faded them out with the sun and the rain combination.
They haven't stopped blooming as well.
So here's another example of how fast these Super Tunias grow. It's been about 2 weeks since we planted these, and they just completely overtaken that hanging container there. Here's the window box planter that I planted. That's how that's coming along. So here's the turtle that I bought about a year ago. Funny story. Everybody uses it to sit on. My wife sat on it to tend these pots here, and it caved in on her. She couldn't call me by phone, so she shot me a text and told me what happened, but we fixed it. We put in some Angelina stone crop, and now it looks pretty awesome. Just thought I'd show you this to show that you can make anything into a pot if anything happens to some of the stuff you have around the house. So we still have another hydrangea that I've been wanting to show. It's a Zinfandel hydrangea. We'll be doing another video on that one and what we do with it. Just want to say thanks for watching. If you want another update, please let me know. We'll continue to do it as long as people are interested in watching the updates and seeing how these grow throughout the summer. We're very grateful to have the amount of viewers that we have. We didn't expect any of this to really inspire anybody, and it shows that it has. We've met people from other places, local, around the world, and it's been a great experience. I'm really glad that this helped other people, and seeing what you can do with such a small area and how much you can do. Again, thank you for watching, and please subscribe.